Math is all around us.
This is so hard. How can we even apply this in real life?
You know, that may be hard, but what if I tell you that it is the reason behind every existence in this world?
Huh?
Math is truly all around us. We can encounter it in our everyday lives, starting in our home, in school, and even in the market. It is like our lives are being run by math. And that is because math serves as the basic foundation of every functionalities in our surroundings.
This means that everything is possible because of math. Math is like our universal language of logic. Everything can change, but numbers are always constant. It stays the same in every country or all across the universe. Thus, it is very important to understand math as it means that we can also understand how the things in our surroundings are possibly made. Understanding or knowing math is basically equals power.
So what is it for us to learn in specific fields in math such as trigonometry, geometry, and pre-calculus? You may think that this is irrelevant, but this is actually the reason behind everything. You see, these fields in our life make things possible. Through algebra, things like computer design, search engines, and artificial intelligence are in reality.
Because of trigonometry, we were able to measure the angle, the distance between geographical landmarks, architecture, engineering, and even outside our home. 12,500 miles from Earth is the satellite navigation system that helps us to reach our desired destinations.
The application of calculus also plays an important role in our advancement. Because of this, we were able to calculate the exact measurement of the speed of the rocket rising towards our Earth's atmosphere. In simpler applications, we may be able to determine the change conditions on a system like the weather. The meteorologists can predict the weather based on the temperature and the pressure. They use differential equations to be able to calculate the change of temperature or speed of the phenomenon.
Calculus is like the language of motion and changes. It has different aspects in our life, such as in medical field, theoretical, and even in businesses. Basically, calculus is a part of everything. It is a part of our true nature and our future.
There will be a point in our lives that we pursue certain careers in life, and having the knowledge of different fields in mathematics will play to you an advantage.
So as a student, how will you get better at math?
The only way to be good and better at something is by learning how to like it. Many professionals advises that we should be consistent in practicing. Well, half of that is true. I believe being consistent requires passion.
Pursuing mathematics is obviously not an easy thing to do, especially looking into or learning the much more complex fields in it such as trigonometry, geometry, algebra, and pre-calculus. But when you found something interesting, you should dig deeper than that. Take your curiosity as a motivation and always look for answers. Remember that curiosity is the initial step for everything to look for answers in your surroundings.